What's going on YouTube? You're watching Exquisite MAD. Be sure to like and subscribe and remember to hit that bell. Today we're looking at aluminum rims and we're looking at polishing and refinishing, a total of 12. The job did take a full 12 hours to complete and a little over 12 hours, but the results are just simply exquisite. If you are interested in having your semi-truck, automobile, aircraft detailed, or if you're interested in our aluminum refinishing and polishing services, please give us a ring at 1-800-292-2341 if you are in the Southeast United States or in the Gulf Coast. So please give us a ring. That's again 1-800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com.